completed my BE Mechanical Engineering Sedu Institute of Technology in the year of 2023, and I joined my and I joined QSpider in the year last year September. In the beginning stage, I don't know anything about coding, but later that Mr. Nandis and the Kanika ma'am teach very well, and then in the front end, Mr. Tamil Selvan sir, he teach very well in and give deep knowledge in about front end, and in the SQL database, Mr. Nagaraju teaches absolute very well, and then Mr. Amit sir, he is a big motivation of me, and he give full of how to say that he give deep knowledge about Java. So in total of, it is a very good travel in the QSpider for me in the last 1 year, and thank you. And and HR also give me a big support